If you happen to own a budget-friendly microphone, typically in the $5 to $10 range, these are usually plug and play devices that rarely own Windows audio drivers rather than having their own software. One common issue with such microphone is that they often experience a decrease in volume, especially noticeable during gaming sessions. However, there's a workaround for this. You can manually boost the microphone volume. Today's video is centered around this topic, sparked by a suggestion from one of our viewers. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The first thing is you need to download the driver, Realtek Audio Driver. Just search it on Google. You will get here different website, but the best website is this one. Once it is open, now scroll down a bit, you will see here the Linux drivers, the Windows drivers. Now the Windows drivers, we are looking for 64-bit versions, not for 32-bit versions. Just select here the 64-bit versions and it will pop up on another agree the terms and download. Just accept to the above and click on the download this file. Just type here 99B337, match this and click on submit. Now here we go, you will get a download file. Just download it and install it. I have already downloaded. Let's install it first. Now simply click on next and it will install automatically the audio drivers. Now these are the drivers from Realtek high definition audio driver that will allow you to boost your audio volume. That's it. Now simply you need to restart your PC. So I'm pausing here my recording and then restarting my PC. So after downloading the Realtek audio drivers, you will get the booster option. Right now in my case I'm using the USB microphone. Let me show you. Just go into the control panel, then hardware and then sound. So go into the recording devices where you have your microphones. Now in my case I'm using here the TM30 USB microphone that have their own adapter and drivers. So there's no option to boost your volume, even though you can install Realtek, but Realtek's are the separate audio drivers. This microphone is have their own drivers, so I can boost it from the software, right? But when you install the Realtek audio drivers, you will see here the booster option for your microphone. You can boost your volume. And the second way is you can also boost your mic volume using the Clownfish voice changer. This is the free voice changer. You don't need to pay $1. Just open this and you will see here the booster. And for this you don't need to use any this Clownfish will work with all microphones. It's not for specific. You can just boost your volume from here, as you can see. And this is the sensitivity, then there is a bass, this is the bass, and that's the treble, like the and the best thing is the Clownfish voice changer have a IT noise option. This option is actually so good, like it will remove the background noise, and even though better than OBS software, this AI denoise is perfect. You can use it, and it will also remove the background fan and the background electricity sound that mostly microphones produce. So yeah, this will work. And the more best thing is this Clownfish is not taking source from your CPU or GPU, only from your RAM 7.6 MB, and it's completely free for low-end PC, and you can use it. And then let me know your feedback in the comment section. See you, have a good day, bye bye.